welcome back. This is the fifth episode. Today I'll be explaining very briefly how we can use pagination in tables. This is a basic table that I made. You can scroll through these numbers or these buttons. Let me show you guys. If I click this button, this will automatically scroll through. This is the previous and this is the next button. You can also scroll through those. Notice that even if I press this button after the first page, the first table, that I can't go any more back, but I can go front like so. And after coming to the last data, I can't go further anymore. I can only go backwards. Now I'll show you how I made the code for this web page. This is the code that I use. This is the index page. There's not much going on. I have called an M function on the load of the page, and it goes straight towards this M function in the scripts page. It takes the value of 0 initially. Initially it takes the value of 0, and then it passes that value to the search PHP. This is search PHP. This is used to get the retrieve the data from the database. This is the database I have. It gets two result sets. I have used two result sets. First is to get the total number of rows, and the second is to get only 4 rows. I have used the sent value of x. This is the value of x, 0. It's currently 0. Initially it's 0, and I have got it from here. I got it from here. Then that goes straight away to this, and this is used to limit the search query. That means we can limit what amount of rows we want from which to which. Now I have said that I want from 0 row 0 or first row up to the first, and then I have used this condition to this to get if the total number of rows are divisible by 4, to find whether it is divisible by 4. Then I'll divide it by 4 and store the value of a variable as btns. Then if it does not divide by 0 completely, then I'll round up that value to the highest integer. I use the function ceil to round up that number, and then again save it as the variable. And I have printed those values with these in between. I'll explain why I have used that when I go to the scripts page. This is a table that will be printed. I used a basic function to find whether the row count is 4. If there are 4 row counts, the count of rows are 4, then it will completely fill all the rows. If it's not 4, then let's say like 3, then the for loop will only occur for 3 rounds, and then hence only print 3 rows. This is used so that we will not get an error. Now if we use every time if we used four loops for 4 times, then if we had only 3 or 2 rows, then we would get an error for the rest of the rows. And like this, we can eliminate that error. Now I'll show you the scripts page. This is the scripts page. I have used Ajax here, and I have got the text, the response text, and save it as variable as text. And then I have splitted them, splitted the text using this, and then I have used those splitted text everywhere for my, like so, for my code. It's very easy. Now so I can get this will be splitted number 0, this will be splitted number 1, this will be number 2, and I have the whole table code right here as split number 3, and like so. And I have created dynamic buttons here so that it will change on the amount of rows that I have in the database. These are very basic functions, and I have used the loop here to get the middle button. These buttons here. I have used a for loop to get those buttons. Use a for loop. This is splitted one. The button is the amount of rows. Then I have appended it to the div 1 parent. This is the div here with ID div 1. Oh, and initially it will clear all the in HTML of the div 1 so that it won't stack up when someone clicks on the button. It will initially empty it and then create elements for the button, like so. Now I'll show you a brief demonstration. Now this is the database I currently have, and let's say now I currently have 13 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have removed the 12th row here. Now I have 13 rows. So now if you see the 13th row, it shows like this. And let's say I want to delete this data. Then I'll go back to the database and delete this row. Now I have only 12 rows. Now let's go back to the web page and then quickly refresh it, and you can see that now there are no 4 buttons, only 3 buttons here, and I can't go any further because I've already deleted that last row. Now again I will quickly show how by adding another data. It's the same thing. go back to the web page and just refresh it, and there you have another button, web feed. Now you can go like so and send data. So that's all. Thank you for watching.